Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to recreate the makeup look worn by Cassie, Season 2, Episode 1 of the HBO show Euphoria. It was a really soft, pretty pink look that I thought would be perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm going to start by creating a base on my eye using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take the super light kind of beigey nude color here and place this on my lid up to the crease. Then I'm going to take this super light pink shimmery eyeshadow that reflects silver when the light hits it, and I'm going to actually apply this with my finger. I find that gives the best color payoff and the most metallic finish rather than a brush. I focus this on the outer corner and then just slightly bring it in onto the lid. I did use pink colored rhinestones for this, but you could also opt for the classic silver. So to get the rhinestones to stick, I'm going to first take a really tiny silicone brush. I use this all the time to apply glitters and any type of adhesive because it doesn't ruin the brush like glue can on a regular bristled or haired brush. And I'm just going to use my eyelash glue to adhere the rhinestones. So first I'm going to map out where I want them to go, and it basically is the shape of like a larger, more emphasized cat eye. So I'm just going to dot the glue on. While I'm figuring out my placement, the glue does start to dry and get a little tacky, which is perfect for adhering the rhinestones to when I'm ready. So I'm just going to place the rhinestones right over top those dots. Then I'm going to add my mascara on my top and bottom lashes and then add a false lash on top. I'm going to have every single product as well as exact shade listed down below if you guys are interested or want to know more information, so be sure to check that out. Moving on, I'm going to fill in my brows using my Benefit Gimme Brow. I like to use shade 2 and 3. Then I'm going to take a pink lip liner, lining my lips, and then add a pink lipstick right over top. Now we can move on to the face. I'm going to use my RMS Beauty Radiance Locking Face Primer. This is a hydrating primer that also locks in your skincare while gripping your makeup, leaving a radiant finish and glow to the skin. Then right over top, I'm applying my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I do mix 2 shades. And I'm going to use my favorite foundation brush for this. This is the IT Cosmetics dual-ended brush, and I'm going to buff that out. Then my recent favorite concealer over top. I'm applying this in a shade lighter than my foundation shade to help highlight and brighten the under eye, chin, down the bridge of my nose, and forehead. Once I have my concealer in the areas I want it, I'm going to basically beat the shit out of my face with my beauty blender to help blend this out. Now to contour and add a bit more warmth to the face, I'm going to take my Duo bronzer and place this in the cheekbone area, my jawline, framing my forehead, the tip inside of my nose. Then I'm going to add some blush to my cheekbones to give a nice youthful glow. Now to set any excess shine in the under eye, I'm just going to take my powder puff and some setting powder and press this into the skin. I'm really focusing this on the under eye area and then any area that I know that I get shiny later on in the day, so a little bit in my T-zone. To highlight, I'm going to use my Pixie Highlight. This is such an underrated product. I'm a huge fan of it. Definitely recommend giving it a try. And I'm placing this on the cheekbones, brow bone, and the bridge of my nose. To give a dewy finish to the look, I'm going to add my Flower Luminizing Setting Spray. I decided I wanted to add a bit more pink to the outer corner, like liner, basically where we applied the rhinestones. So using a small brush, I'm just going to pack the pink color right over top, carefully, softly blending around the rhinestones. To finish up the look, I'm going to add some more glitter using my Eva NYC Queen Silver Glitter Spray, and I'm basically just applying this all over my chest, neck, face, and hair. It is extra, but it's so beautiful when the light hits it, especially at night. So that's everything for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You're following me on Instagram and TikTok for more day-to-day updates. I'd love to know which Euphoria character or look you want to see next, so be sure to comment that down below. Check out the description box for more information and discount codes. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and all your support, and I will see you in the next video.